Do you know the biggest mistake English learners make? They try to translate every Hindi sentence into English, and that's why they get stuck. Today I'll show you a simple 5-minute daily exercise that will train your brain to think in English without translation. And why thinking in English is important, let me tell you. Whenever you speak English, your brain does 3 steps: think in Hindi, translate to English, then speak. This takes too much time and you lose confidence. If you directly think in English, you will speak faster, more natural, and more confident. So the 5-minute exercise is: step number 1, describe your surroundings. Look around your room, say in English, "This is my phone, the fan is moving, I'm sitting on a chair." Keep it simple, just describe what you see. Step number 2, talk about your action. Say what you are doing right now. For example, I'm watching a video, I'm learning English, I'm smiling. This makes your brain connect English with real life. And step number 3, make a mini plan. Think about what you will do next. For example, after this video, you will drink water, then I will call my friend, later I will go for a walk. This helps you think about the future in English. And daily challenges, and this is the most important in this video. If you do this exercise just 5 minutes every day, in 1 month you will see a huge difference. So don't wait for the perfect grammar, don't worry about mistakes. Your goal is perfection. Your goal is train your brain to use English naturally. So from today, promise yourself 5-minute daily look around, describe, talk about your action, and make a plan. This small habit will slowly remove translation from your mind. And remember, English is not just a language, it is the practice. The more you practice, the better you become. So I hope you like your video, because I can help some issues. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि इंग्लिश बोलने और समझने और उसको बोलने में कितना मेहनत लगती है. I know that. तो डर का सामना करना पड़ता है इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए. कुछ चीज़ों को करना पड़ता है, डेली लाइफ में अपने लाइफ में अपनाना पड़ता है, उसको प्रैक्टिकल करना पड़ता है, तब जाके कम्युनिकेशन बनता है, इंग्लिश सीखने को मिलता है और स्पीकिंग करने को समझ में